guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. It's time for another review. A little while ago, a company called Moosoo sent me their K17 Dyson type clone vacuum cleaner. And we put it all together and it works just great. I actually use it in my house. Then they asked me if I wanted to review another one of their vacuum cleaners, and it came the other day. We're going to unbox it in front of you and see how this differs from the other model. Moosoo vacuum cleaner Xl-618A. Instructions? Get out of here! We don't need instructions. Forget about it. HEPA filter. Battery pack. Brush attachments. Wall mount. See, you don't need instructions. You can figure it all out. Let me guess. Power cord. Main bristle motorized head. The main vacuum unit, cyclone technology. Quick discharge of the rubbish into your garbage. Reason why I know this is because I just did a review on the K17. This is very similar. Let's just find out what the differences are. K17 had a telescopic aluminum thingamajig, just like this. And it had other attachments such as a hose and stuff. So I think this might be just a dedicated broom is what it is. See how it's powered? It has prongs there for electrical connections. And you can see you can just match it up. Or so it seems easy. There we go. It is easy. To disconnect, push this. Male, female, that's what it is. The way of the world, male and female. Easy. Let's see if it's been charged up in shipping. Nice. On the K17, you would press it again for a higher speed. Let's see if this does the same. So it's first push of the trigger or pull of the trigger is the low speed, then high speed. Has an indicator here with 3 bars to tell you the strength. And it only had 2 bars after it ran for a bit, so it's not completely charged. It's probably about 65–70% charged. There's already a filter in here. You can just twist it and it comes out. You can change your filter that way. Very easy. So that other HEPA filter I got there is a spare. Really easy to use. Since I already have the K17, I might give this to my friend Andy from Jericho. I'm sure his wife would love it. Okay, so we're gonna try these attachments now. So it comes with these 2 attachments. This is jammed in there. Oh, it's not jammed in there. It's just an extension. press this thing, and it comes out like that. Oh, that's ingenious, see? So you can use this to brush, right? And then if you don't want to, you want to just use this thing to, let's say, vacuum your car or something in between the seats and crevices. That's kind of cool. So we can take that off and just simply put that on. So you can have that. And then you want the brush. Just try it really quick with the agitating bristles. I've got like a lot of grass clippings here. You're not going to have this much of a mess in your house. So this is a good test. Too high. You can watch how it works. The Cyclone technology, very similar to the very well-selling Dysons. And then to unload it, that's all it is. Super easy. So this is the Moosoo X6 or XL-618A. And while the K17 one that I reviewed was over $100, I believe it was, I forget how much it was, but it was a lot more money. This is the more economical version of that, and it's a stick vacuum cleaner. This is available at Walmart for $89.99 with free shipping, or you can go pick it up at the store. I'll leave a link in the description. If you guys are interested, you can go check out the listing on Walmart. Also, I'll leave a link to the Moosoo store on Amazon, so you can check out what other things that they have. Very cool. I'm going to give this to my buddy Andy from Jericho, and it's a very cool little vacuum cleaner. Easy to use, lightweight. Just got to charge it up, and there you go. I like it very much. I like it so much that I use mine every other day in the house. Thanks a lot for joining me on this review of this Moosoo stick vacuum cleaner. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers. As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video, and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.